Hi, traders, and welcome to the PL Capital Market Review. I'm your host, Paul. Today is Friday, August 4th. Markets are now closed for the week. In this video, I want to look at the S&P, NASDAQ, and the Russell. So let's go. All right, we're going to start with the upcoming economic calendar, and this will be a big week. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday will be actually pretty quiet, but the fun will begin on Thursday. Thursday, you got core inflation. Now they're actually expecting it to be pretty flat. So last month it was 4.8, and now they're expecting it to be like 4.7 or 4.8. So that'll be curious to see how the market reacts. Does that market just go sideways, or does the market kind of sell off, thinking that maybe inflation is going to start to get a little sticky and harder to move down much farther? So that'll obviously be a big data point. And then Friday, you got the producer price and Michigan consumer sentiment, and those will have big impacts. But like the consumer sentiment is also not expecting much. Consensus is 71 to 71.3, and the previous was 71.6. So not much of a difference there, and PPI is actually pretty much just in line. So not sure that those will actually be big movers. I think the big obviously will be core inflation on Thursday. So be ready for those. All right, let's move on to the charts here. I'm going to start off with the S&P. This is the futures contract. And last week I was wondering if they were going to come back up and take out that high one more time. It came close on Monday, but then it quickly reversed. So this entire 5-wave move now is complete, and they're starting the bigger correction here. And so far what I see is we have a 1, 2, and a 3, and then a 1, 2, and a 3. And then all afternoon today just totally sold off here. So we have a 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3, and a 1. So I'm expecting that they're going to be creating a leading diagonal. So I think this 3-wave, that'll be 1, that'll be 2, and then this is just the first part of 3. And somewhere here, they might push this down a little bit farther, but eventually then you're going to get a little correction, and then still one more down, and that'll be 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And then, you get a 4 and a 5, and then you'll have your leading diagonal. So wouldn't be a seller down here now. You got to wait for the pullback. And then when the 3 waves are in, that's where I would be looking to go short one more time to finish off that 3rd wave. All right, let's move on to the NASDAQ. And I'm just going to leave these lines up here, make this easier. So the NASDAQ is slightly different. It did come down in 3 there, and I think that's 1. And then there's 3 here, that's 2. And right now, they did come and just break that low. So here's the 1, 2, and then they just broke it by like 3 points, that previous low that was set on Thursday. So, but just like the S&P, I don't know that low that they set today, late in the afternoon, I don't know if that's the end of this 3rd wave. I think it might sag a little bit more. So, Sunday when the market opens into Monday, I think you might just go down a little bit more, and that'll be 3. And then you get a 3-wave correction up for 4, and then 3 more down for 5, and then we'll have a leading diagonal. So just like the S&P, I I wouldn't be selling right here on the Nasdaq. You got to wait for that fourth wave, because that fourth wave could, come up relatively high. So you don't want to be stuck waiting for this thing to come back down. So I think there's a little bit more down for that third wave, and then I'd be looking for three-wave move up for 4 before we come back down. All right, and the Russell. Yeah, so same thing. I was thinking that they might come and take out that high, but they didn't. And what I see so far now in the Russell, let me just go to a daily here, is we've got this one, got this one wave and two, and then you've got a 1, a 2, 3, 4, 5. So that it could be that this is A, B, 5 waves up for a C. Now it's very impulsive looking. It's not corrective looking. So I'm kind of thinking that they're going to just come down into this range, this 1943, maybe 1899, in like some three-wave fashion, and then you'll have a 1, 2, 3, and then this will be 4, and then they'll go up and break that high. But like I said in my last video, I still think this is all just corrective. And so this will be a 5-wave just to break that top, and then this will be some kind of like a 1, 2, 3 wave pattern, and then eventually they'll come back down and take out that low. So I'd be looking for downward pressure on the Russell, but in this area, that's where I'd be looking for possibly one more wave up, unless this is just one big ABC pattern and they're coming all the way down. So watch the price reaction in this zone. If it just comes flying through here real strong, then that could be just a big correction, and it's going down right now. But kind of thinking that they might just stall out in here and head up. All right, that's what I see on those markets. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.